Hello guys, welcome to Maha Educational Channel. Today's topic is chemistry part 4 important questions. I uploaded part 1, part 2, part 3. These parts are belongs to section A 2 marks questions. Then I am going on video. Section B belongs to 4 marks. Section B starts with 11th number. 11th question is states of matter. First question, sub-question of states of matter, 11th one. Give the important postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. Second question, state and explain Graham's law of diffusion. Third question, deduce Boyle's law, Charles' law from kinetic gas equation. Fourth one, derive the ideal gas equation from gas laws. Fifth one, find RMS velocity, average velocity and most probable velocity of CO2 gas at 27 degrees Celsius. Sixth question, 360 cubic centimeters of CH4 gas diffused through a porous membrane in 15 minutes under similar conditions. 120 cubic centimeter of another gas diffused in 10 minutes. Find the molar mass of the gas. Molar mass of the gas. And the seventh question, at 25 degrees Celsius and 760 mm of Hg pressure, a gas occupies 600 ml volume. What will be its pressure at a height where temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and volume of the gas is 640 ml? When we go on stoichiometry is important for 2 marks and 4 marks. Stoichiometry is all depends on calculations. Okay, stoichiometry. When we go on stoichiometry in section A, stoichiometry is 12th question. Balancing equations in acid medium, base medium, ion electron. These type of questions are asked. First question, balance the following redox reaction in acidic medium by ion electronic method. Second question, balance the following redox reaction by ion electron method in acid medium. See the reactions. And the third question, balance the following equation in basic medium by ion electron method. Acid medium, base medium are different in calculation. These two are different. Fourth question, a carbon compound contains 12.8% carbon, 2.1% hydrogen, 85.1% bromine. The molecular weight of the compound is 187.9. Calculate the molar formula. There are two types of questions in this stoichiometry. The questions given in the examination are first type, redox reactions, and the second type are like a carbon compound contains calculate empirical formulas, molecular masses, like that. They will ask like that. And the fifth question, calculate the empirical formula of a compound having percentage composition. Potassium K is equal to 26.57, chromium Cr is equal to 35.36, oxygen O is equal to 38.07. Given atomic weights of Kr, Cr and O, 39, 52, 16. Sometimes they give this type of hints and sometimes they don't. When we go on thermodynamics chapter is easy. When they given Hess law and the Cp and Cv. Second law of thermodynamics is little difficult, and the first law of thermodynamics easy. 13th, state and explain Hess law of constant heat summation with example. This is most important question, and this is also, these two are most important questions. 13th question is totally easy in the examination. Because they definitely ask mostly Hess law of constant heat summation and Cp and Cv. Last year they asked CP and CV, and before last year they asked Hess law of constant heat summation. Hess law of constant heat summation is mostly important in AP and TS papers. So easy question. Everyone, a duller students also will learn that question. Third question. Give the mathematical formula of first law of thermodynamics. Fourth question. State and explain the significance of second law of thermodynamics. Chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium is important for 2 marks and 4 mark questions. These three, which 11, 12, 13, 14 questions are important for 2 marks and 4 mark. These chapters are depend on 2 mark and 4 mark questions. Chemical equilibrium is 14 in the exam paper. Sub question 1. Derive the relation between Kp and Kc for the equilibrium reaction. A. N2 plus 3H2 reversible reaction to NH3. B. 2SO2 plus O2 reversible reaction to SO3. Second question. Explain the Bronsted-Lowry acid-base theory with example. Third question. Explain Lewis acid-base theory with examples. Bronsted-Lewis theories are most important. Le Chatelier principle, we can't say that is not unimportant. It totally important question. The most important question in this chapter is this one, Le Chatelier's principle. Fourth question, state Le Chatelier's principle and apply the same to the following equilibrium. N2 plus 3H2 reversible reaction to NH3, delta H is equal to minus 92 kilojoule per mole. This question is asked in another process. State Le Chatelier's principle and apply it to the synthesis of ammonia by Haber's process. Haber's process is the most important question. Haber's process is the most important question that we should remain it. When they give an ammonia, don't confuse. N2 plus 3H2 reversible reaction to NH3 is called as ammonia. Ammonia means this reaction. They asked the principle in the process of Haber's process, Le Chatelier's principle. Define pH of a solution, give its significance. State and explain salt hydrolysis. Salt hydrolysis and pH questions also most important. First question, fourth question, fifth question and sixth question are mostly asked questions in the public examinations. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Keep going on your studies. Keep smiling on your face.